if you just joined the call, and we are live.
All right.
So is everyone logged in and have a quiz?
Yep, I have the quiz open.
Yes, I do have the quiz open.
Not able to hear you, William.
Can you hear me now?
Yep.
Cool.
All right.
Okay, let's do this. Who wants to start it off?
I guess I will. Find the margin of error for a 90% confidence interval when the standard deviation is 50, or sigma is 50 and n is 25. Okay.
You're choosing the formula, right?
Yeah, we use our z asterisk, whatever we call that one, for 90, which is 1.645. Oh, where did I put?
It's under 4.1.4, and the confidence level is, if I'm getting correct, it's 1.645. If I'm correct.
So 1.645 is our z naught. Our sigma is 50. We divide by the square root of 25, which is 5. So I have a 16.45% confidence level.
16.45. Says round to the 3 decimal places.
I think it's 0.165.
16.
So,
Is it
You guys-
1.
sorry, go ahead, Brad.
Is it 1.645?
I think it's 0.165.
No,
But
I already took this quiz with
No.
the other group.
yeah, no, it's 16.45
Yeah,
or 16.450. Right?
yeah.
6.45.
16.450.
Okay, I got 6.445. Is that correct?
No, 16.
16. Well, 16.
450.
Okay.
Perfect. So number 4, which of the following statements is true? I have. I put mu is a point estimator of mean.
I have it the other way. X bar is the point estimator of mu.
B. Because I think it's B. That's what I'm guessing, okay?
Oh, yeah, I just found that in the text.
Because mu is our population data. X bar is the supposition of population is.
Brad, do you want to do number 5?
Yes. Digit wants to commemorate 95% confidence includes 4G and T scores. She knows that standard deviation equals 113 because a random example of sample size n equals 64 and computes the x overlying 526 is this information meant 6 corrections. And the n is 8. You spread that 64 times 8. And it is 1.960 is a conference level for the Z star, I'm not sure, conference.
So are you reading question 5 now, or where are you?
Because I'm going back to lesson 10.
Mm-hmm.
The conference level is 1.960 for 95%.
You guys want me to read number 5?
What's the point estimate for the 2G MAT score?
That would be 526, the X bar.
Yeah. I'll go ahead and
It's
read.
526. You guys agree?
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
Not there for a minute.
I'll read question 6. What is the margin of error for the 95% confidence interval for the true GMAT score?
I got 128.87.
128. Oh, 128.7. 0 is 0. 8. 128. 7. 128.787. Is that the answer? The correct answer?
That's what I got, but I'm not entirely sure if we're correct. Let's see. Okay, what is the margin of error in the 95%? Okay, I know where I went wrong. Thanks, William. So it's 1.96 for our 95% times 113. That's divided by 8, which gives us 27.685.
27.86.
And you're just using the formula in the book. It has 2 times you you're doing the standard deviation, right?
The standard deviation is 113 as is given to us.
Correct. So I'm just trying to understand how you're calculating that.
So under section 4, the formula for margin of error is your z asterisk times sigma divided by the square root of n. And that does not copy and paste well.
I'm trying to find that. I was looking under 3.3. That's why I didn't find it.
Yep, it's 4.5.
For number 7?
No, not for number 7. Or to find the equation you need for number 6.
We do this 27.865.
What's that?
So we believe it's 27.865. Is that fair?
27.685 is what I thought I got. I could have put those together the wrong way, though. $685.
6.
So, question 7, what is the lower limit of this confidence interval? We just take our x bar and we subtract our 27.685, which gives us 498.315.
Let me just add it.
I was saying, you take 526, you take 526 and you minus it.
So, yeah, you have your 526 and you subtract your margin of error.
And then for the upper limit, I got 553.685.
Me too.
Left it.
Is that what you got as well?
Left it. Oh, I did not working. 5.7 minus 27.685. Is it 499.315?
I don't think so. I got 498.315 for question 7.
Same, that's what I got. And then for the upper limit, I got number 8, I got 553.685.
Okay, 498.315.
Yep.
What did I see? I did 5.6. $498.315. Why is it doing this? Oh, great. What did I do wrong? Can you give me 7 again? I actually press. What did I do wrong? Okay, never mind. Sorry. Okay, are we at number 8 now? Hello?
Yes, I got for number 8. I got 553.685.
Yeah.
You just take the 526 and then add the margin of error confidence interval that we got for number 6, and that's what you get.
526 plus. Is it 27.685?
Yep, 27.685.
Okay. Why is this character doesn't like me today on the computer? Okay. Seven point six eight five 553.685.
Does somebody want to read 9?
Sure. Number 9 is what would happen to the width of the confidence interval if Gina increased the sample size? If she increased the sample size, then what would happen is the confidence interval, it would decrease. Is that right?
Yeah, because like the law of large numbers, isn't that what that is?
That's what I think.
Yeah.
And then if she changed it to a 99% confidence interval,
It will increase. That's what I'm guessing.
Yeah.
so we agree. Do we agree for 9 and 10 decrease increase?
Yes.
Okay.
I'll
Would
read
like to
11. Oh.
Oh, sorry. Go ahead.
So, Brightbolt Light Bulb Company is planning a study to assess the average life expectancy of their light bulbs. They know the standard deviation is 400 hours. They want a 95% confidence interval with a margin of error of 50 hours. What sample size do they need? Round up to the nearest whole number. Example. Okay.
Okay, I struggle with how to find what sample size we need. Any suggestions for how to find that?
Yeah, I'm looking in here.
Fine.
I found the formula actually. The sample size, so n equals z star times, I always forget how to pronounce that. It's all over. Let's see. Do we have everything we need for this? Z is the confidence interval, correct? and M is the margin of error at 50 hours. Am I right in that?
I believe so.
Oh, Thomas, or TJ, we can't hear you if you are talking to us.
I need to stop muting that. From that way. Yeah, 50 hours is your M for margin of error.
Okay, so basically we just need to take the 400 times 0.95, right? And divide it by 50, and then square it.
Yep. Well, it's 400 times 1.96, I believe.
Yes.
Because 1.96 is our confidence interval.
Oh, you're right.
Where-
400 times 1.96 divided by 50. So I got
Because the bottom
245,
getting
6.
the bottom part I'm getting 7.0710, and the top part I'm getting 1.60 times.
Wait, what'd you guys get for number 11? Did you get 246?
Yeah.
Okay, sorry about that. Okay, I got it. Okay. And then so I got 154 and 646.
What now? For what?
For 12 and 13, 154 and 646.
For 12 and 13?
Oh no, what happened?
Yeah.
No, I
No,
don't think you're using the right sample mean.
yeah, I got
The right X.
74,740.
That's also.
I wasn't using the right sample mean. Sorry.
DJ, I don't think you're using the right numbers either. And I remember the other group had the same problem. What we got to do is, so you're going to do we're not going to use the hypothesis, the null hypothesis, or the alternative hypothesis. We're going to use the sample mean of 111,000 and deduct that from the null hypothesis or the population mean. Does that help?
Okay, so we take our X bar and we subtract our mu?
Yes. Yes,
Okay.
just like we did before.
All right.
And the way I think of that is you're trying to test the sample mean or the X bar and not the null hypothesis. We already know what the null is. We want to see if the sample mean is, we're testing the sample mean pretty much, or the X bar. So what you guys did that time?
Can I just ask a silly question?
No.
Wouldn't we just add the 36,730 to the 100,000 to find out the upper limit, and subtract it to get the lower limit?
No, because that's not your margin of error.
But it is our standard deviation.
Yeah, but that would just be our z. It's not our. We're not looking for what is it, the z-score or whatever. We're looking for the margin of error of our confidence interval. So we need to find the margin of error
No, we're
and
looking
then
for the low.
subtract the margin of error from the 111,000.
Are we looking for the lowest number in our confidence interval?
Says anything.
I'm sorry, can you repeat that question, Daniel?
Aren't we looking for the lowest number within the confidence interval and then the highest number?
Yeah, and to get that, we need the margin of error.
No. So what equation are you using to solve for m?
So I took the 111,000 minus the 100,000 and got the 11. And then multiplied that by our 95%, then divided by our square root of n, which was 6.
It's it.
Okay.
So so I got 3,593.3 bar for my margin of error.
Okay, I'm sorry. So underneath the fourth section, there's an equation. It's x bar minus 2 times the standard deviation over the population, square root of the population, right?
Right. Okay.
And you're going to do that to find the lower, and then you're going to do the other one to find the upper, where you add.
Okay. So this x bar, it's a capital X. So is that our... Let's see. So is the x bar we're using the 111,000 or?
Yes.
Okay.
Is it 3,593 for the answer?
No. Oh, 1 second. Oh, crap. I just tried to do it again and I got the wrong answer, so Give me a second. Oh, no, I think I got it. 1 second, let me do the math on it. I'm a little bit off.
Yeah, I don't think my answer is right, because if I do it this way, I get 110,999. So,
Okay, so that actually might be closer. The answer is 99,002. Oh, I think I'm using the wrong. I feel like we're supposed to put the 1.96 in there somewhere. Let me try and remember this.
wait.
Okay. So the actual formula for a 95% confidence interval for the population when the standard deviation is known is that same one, but instead of using a 2, we're going to use 1.96. That's what I did wrong. I'm going to share my calculator really quick and show you how I did it. I can't share my calculator. That's stupid. Okay, but pretty much what we got to do is we're going to take 111,000 minus parentheses 1.96 multiplied or times the standard deviation over the square root of the population. Or I'll share what I'll share the equation I'm looking at.
Is it 32,666.666.666.667?
So 4.11. What z corresponds to 95% of the area? And then if we look at the probability applet, and at 0.95 into the probability applet. I'm going to find it. So that 1.95 or 1.96 comes from, like Brad said earlier, the 0.95 probability. Oops. 0.95. So that's where we get that z-score of negative 1.96 or positive 1.96.
Right, I've got you there so far. I think I see what I'm doing wrong. Yep, I'm using the confidence level instead of the sigma. That would explain it. Or the alpha. So you got 99,002.
Yes, that's the lower confidence interval.
Yeah, it does help if you use the right numbers.
Yeah.
So for the upper one, did you guys get 122,998?
Yep.
122,998. Yeah.
What? I'm lost. What number are we on?
So we just did both 12 and 13.
What was 13?
13, we got 122,998.
So it's a little bit confusing, Brad, how to calculate those. The formula that we're using is in section. It's a combination of what's in 4.5. Actually, it is 4.5. Under step 1, that's the that we use.
So I have to go and meet with somebody for my marketing class. But I guess we'll see you guys next time.
Okay.
All right,
Thank you very
sounds
much,
good.
sir.
Thanks for your help, William.
No problem. Good luck with the next chapter.
Thank you.
The last question on this quiz is: there are 3 requirements that need to be checked in computing a confidence interval for a mean, and it's saying they are.
I think the only answer that makes any sense would be all of the above because
Yeah. Because
that's
if there's
the only
3
way
and
you
it wants to
get
know
three.
any, that's one answer. That's a really bad, poorly written question.
Really poorly written.
I'll take it.
Tell me if number three is 16.45.
16.450 for number 3.
Okay. And number 4, B for boy.
Yep.
Number 5, 526.
Yep.
27.685.
Number 6 is 27.685.
Can I see your screen? That's what I have on my screen.
I can't. 1 second.
Need to lower your camera a little bit, Brad.
Okay.
Can you see my screen right now, guys?
Is that yes? Is it 27.685?
27.685.
Okay. And number 7, 498.315.
Yep.
Number 9 is decrease, 10's increase. Number 11, 246.
Yep.
Okay. I was going back and forth. I was getting lost, okay?
Yeah, it's okay. Number 13, we got 122,998.
98.
And then number 14, all of the above, D.
Yes.
Okay. So are we ready to submit that?
Yes.
And I think for the next chapter, we'll need to just meet on Thursday if that works.
I actually can do it now if you guys do want to. I maybe you guys don't have time, but that's
I need to get going. It's my mom's birthday today, so.
Oh. Okay.
It's it. Have you submitted the quiz yet?
Yep. We're good. All right. I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks.
Tell your mom happy birthday.